The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 6-speed manual transmission, cruise control, ABS 4-wheel, keyless start, front floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power windows, bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.